CentralSound.co for all your Bose Aviation headset parts. Enter promo code 20% off at checkout to receive a 20% off discount. Here we have a Bose Aviation Headset X. We're going to show you how to replace the ear pads. These ones aren't too bad. We have our replacement ear pad set right here. First thing you do is pinch the leatherette piece, gently pull it up. It should come out fairly easily. Sometimes the ear pads break apart. As long as you get all the pieces out, it's important. There's a plastic flange around here. This headset has a foam mat right here. Your headset might have a white screen looking piece, but it removes just the same, just like this one here. So you want to take that out. Here we have our replacement ear pad set that we sell at CentralSound.co. They fit the A10, A20, and the X. It's the same procedure to replace ear pads on the other models as it is in this video. So you want to flip it upside down to where the foam edges are facing you. You gently tuck the foam edges underneath the plastic flange. And you do that all the way around. This is what it should look like. Next, grab your ear pad piece. There's that plastic flange. You want to tuck the small plastic rim piece in between the flange and the ear cup. There's a small crevice all the way around, as you can see in there. That's where it slides into. I find it the easiest to use my thumb and index finger on the inside of the ear pad to gently guide it, and my thumb to push it in. It may take a few attempts. Do not get discouraged. These ear pads do fit properly. As you can see, I'm pinching it. I'm guiding it with my index finger on the inside and using my thumb to gently push it in. And you do that all the way around. They appear to be in place. Gently pinch and wiggle the ear pad slightly towards the ear cup to make sure it's secure. Check all the way around to make sure the edges are tucked in. Everything looks good on this. And that's it. That's how it's done. Ear pads are comfortable. Very good cushion on them. They're sewn, not glued together, for long-lasting durability. Save 20% on your earpad set at CentralSound.co. Click the link in the details.